Hi guys, thank you for being here. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial about the shutter count of a camera. This refers to how many pictures your camera has taken in the entire lifespan. So before you buy an old camera or sell an old camera, most people value this important information to know before they make a decision. Just like how you buy or sell a used car, most people would like to check the mileage it has done. In my case, I'm using a Nikon 3300 DSL camera. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to check how many photos I've taken with this camera. I hope this tutorial has been of good help. Did you enjoy this? Kindly share this with your friends. Give me some love and like in the comments button. Remember to subscribe and share this with your friends too. Bye bye for now and see you hopefully in the next video.